Hi, I'm Mike Boucher, and I'm running for state representative in Gloucester, Rockport, and Essex. I've been going all over Cape Ann, meeting voters. We've knocked on over 5,000 doors to date. The election is just 1 week away. I've been talking to people about the need to create more jobs on Cape Ann, reduce our taxes, reform our state government, add additional transparency so we can know how our legislators voted, and stop illegal immigration here in Massachusetts. I'd like to talk to you a little bit more about illegal immigration. My opponent, unfortunately, has voted repeatedly to allow more and more illegals to come into the state of Massachusetts. What does this do? It overburdens the services here in Massachusetts, so we have less money going to our schools, less money going to help create jobs, less money for infrastructure like roads and bridges. In fact, right now, we spend over $2 billion a year on over 200,000 illegal immigrants in this state that we know about. This is wrong. In fact, my opponent, when given the opportunity to vote, to make it required that you have 2 forms of identification before you can get welfare benefits, voted no. This is completely wrong. I will fight hard to change Massachusetts from becoming a magnet for illegal immigration to being one of the best states in the country that helps its citizens and instead provides legal immigration. We're all in favor of legal immigration. In fact, we're a nation of immigrants, and we all come from immigrants, either our parents or our grandparents or our great-grandparents. And this is what we need to focus on and stop the illegal immigration from sucking our taxpayers dry. I thank you for tuning in. I hope you'll consider me on Tuesday, November 4th. I would really appreciate your vote. Have a great day.